Here we are. Today we're going to be working on a 04 Honda Odyssey, and we're going to do 6 new plugs on it. So get right into it. Let's find a ratchet. Right here. Start. It's got, grab that light, 4 10 mils each corner. Oh. Oh, wait a sec. This isn't a 10 mil. That's a 10 mil. Dang it. Use the impact. Those are already loose. Alright. First cover. Then we got flatheads. I think they're just half turns. Yep. That slides off. Right. Then we got coils. So it's got this squeeze in tab. Ow. And it's like an Allen 40. Just gonna reach it in here. Okay. Just like that. Then you can spin them off. So that's a T40. Although this is a Allen. The pile. Now we're gonna pull these coils straight up. Yeah. I'll do just like they come out of the car. Doesn't matter. Pretty good so far. And our third good. Right. I believe this should be, oh. Your new plug, double platinum. Should be a 5/8. Yep. Take that. Gotta finesse this. Holy. No. We're gonna have to do something different here. That's kind of loud. What else can we do? I don't know. I can't have that though. No. Alright, we're just gonna take it and let it go. I'm sure it's set in there. Ratchet. Push it on. This is not wanting to go on. Unless that... Oh, maybe that did go on. Yep. Spin this right out. There we go. Yeah, not too bad. Maybe a little wide. So, number one. Drop it down 2. The ratchet. Pop it on. That's good. There we go. Looks pretty good. These are auto light. 5224. Good. So you got the same ones. Drop this down. Put that up. Alright. Oh, also pretty good. There's our new to old. The only main thing I see is this little end is gone on these. So it's pretty wide. So we'll get 3 fresh ones. Pre-gapped. Make sure they're all good. On the spec here, we're gonna get our torque wrench, do 14. That's 15 minus 1, 14. Lock it up. You can see that. And do we have see any anti-seize. Hate to do this, but let's put a little oil on the thread so I don't have to do. Probably shouldn't even be doing this, but just to make it a little easier. Grab our spark plug. It's got the little rubber holder in there. Push this just right up to it. Okay, we'll start with one. Can I get this in here? Here we go. Drop it down. And then we're going to grab our extension. Pop that in. Then just make sure it's not cross-threading. Going in nice and easy. If you can't spin it by hand, then you're probably cross-threading it. Good, just going down. Right till it bottoms out, right there. Torque wrench. Pop this in. Now, as soon as this car goes by, I'm gonna listen for the click. Right there. That's our 14. Now we're gonna have to wiggle this thing off. Might have done this wrong. Hopefully everything came with us good. So set, grab our coil pack, and kind of gotta finesse it up here, just like that. Pop it on. Get our screw. Just get that snugged up. Okay. Next one. I'm going to see if I have a regular 5/8 so it doesn't get stuck again. I know I do. Just don't know where. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'll use this for installing them instead. Just gonna put some oil, make it go nice and easy. Take this, drop it right down. Grab our socket, drop that down. And then our extension. And again, just spin it by hand, make sure you're not cross-threading it. There we go. Okay. Get it, just make sure that's snugging. Okay, good. Torque wrench. Okay. That. Spark plug out. Coil pack. On. I'm going to oil this screw because the last one was kind of gritty. Okay. last one. Pull her up. Where do we do our socket? Right here. Drop it in. Maybe fish this one through. We can plug these both in. Clip. Clip. A bit of a weird spot. Go. Just snug down. Torque wrench. Good. Good. Coil pack. Down, plug it in, why not? Her bolt, a little oil on it, just make it thread easy. Alright. Don't have a torque spec on these, but just snug them.
Snug them. Not crazy. Snug.
Snug. Grab our front cover. Like that. Snap these in. Good. And now we got the backs. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to get this light back here. Same thing. Pull the screw. One, two, three. Pop your coil packs out. Of course, that's right in the way. Gotta fish it over. One. This one's had back one's not coming out, so we're gonna come back to it. See if these are better. No. Got the back one out. See, that one's really worn down. That one. This other one, bit of a different story. It's clearly in there. Threads. Soften them up. Reversing it. Coming out. It's not, there it goes. Now it's tight again. There you go, I think she's out. Threads aren't messed up. There you go. Didn't bring it up. Bring it with us. That's what I was worried about. The spark plug's broken off. What I'm going to try. Let's put them out back on actually. Some like rubber down it like this. Hopefully just to catch on to it. That's the goal here. Gotta reach it back in here. Gently. gently slide it down. Right now. This is gonna be too much. Let's try it right there. Just maybe it'll catch on it. Let's see. Okay. That got it. Threads don't look stripped. Maybe a tad. You can see the comparison though on electrode. Yeah. And it just snapped clean off. And then this, we're gonna grab our screwdriver, push it out like this. So these must not have been changed because the other ones are all auto lights and these are NGKs. So these must be a lot older. But a lot of heat was getting by with these. These probably aren't even the right ones for the car. There's that. Now we got one last one to get in the back here. Drop that. Your socket on it. Shake it on. Hope this one comes out. This one's coming out. Then we can just spin it by hand till it lets go, which is right there. Alright, there's our last one. So pretty worn. There you can see that burning. These ones don't really have it, but the back ones do. So we're good there. I'm going to use this to reinstall them. Gotta get this gunk out now. Yep. Okay. Chuck it in the trash. Okay. 3 new ones. You can just see the difference on the electrode here. Way smaller. I mean, you can fit that whole thing. This one's not even close. We're going to take some oil, move it all up. Back here, we're going to drop it down. These threads are kind of a little bit whack. Make sure you can start it by hand before you start wrenching on it. Crank it right down. Get it snug. Okay, and then we're gonna try the torque wrench. This one a little sketchy with the threads. try and torque it. If it feels like it's gonna strip, I'm not gonna go for it. Okay, we're good right there. Pull this, let our socket out, grab our coil pack, drop that down, clip that just like this, push it down, get our bolt, these are nice, clean. Thread her right down. We'll come through and torque these in a minute. Okay, next plug. Make sure it looks good. Oil this one. Take it, ow, drop it down. Grab, this is our good one. Reach it in back here. Down. Snug. Good. Hopefully you can get that angle. My torque wrench. Snug, and then listen to a click. Right there. Go. Coil pack. Put it in. Pop it down. Screw. And all the way down. Final plug. Drop it down. And this one, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the wrench on. Okay, worked. Pull that off. Final coil, slide this back out. Fish it around this thing. Yeah. Plug, clip, push it down, and your final bolt. down. Here, grab our light. Those are all good. Cover. There. For impact. Start it gently. This one's in a different spot. Good, and good. That's the final plugs. Gonna take it for a quick drive, make sure she's good. This angle. Just pull right over on the flat here. Put my hazards on. I'm just gonna give it a couple revs, see how it sounds. I'm gonna head out the window, maybe you can hear it better. That's pretty good. We'll just give her a quick little 1-2 here. Alright, I'm gonna let off at 50 because this is a back road and this thing's boaty. Alright. I'd say this thing seems pretty good now. It wasn't bad before, but it was getting had a lot of hesitation. It was running kind of rough. Seems pretty smooth now. See, the idle seems pretty good. I mean, it's got 278,000 miles on it, and it's still cruising. So I think that's the best we're gonna get from this. So we'll call it at that. I'm gonna be doing an oil change on it. Oh my God, it's so loud. Do an oil change probably tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that video. Yeah, so got an oil plan changed on this, or oil change planned for this. Hopefully tomorrow. I'll be uploading that soon. Then I got another 2005. I'm gonna be doing an oil change on that. Front sway bar, and what else am I doing? The door hinge for the sliding doors. Very common problem on the Odysseys. So if you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up. This is my first attempt at this with the head cam. Sorry if I'm doing bad. I'm trying to work on it. So give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Dislike it if you disliked it. Let me know in the comments. And feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.